welcome back to my channel, or if you are new here, welcome to my channel. My name is Fern. It would really mean the world to me if you could go down, click that subscribe button if you haven't already. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you, I love you so much. Today's video is quite exciting, a little bit different, and I'm kind of jumping on the bandwagon, but I thought it was a really fun idea and a way to interact with you guys a bit more. So over on my Instagram I did a few polls and you guys basically chose what makeup I'm going to use for today's look. If you like the look of this and you want to know what I used, or if you were in that poll and you want to see the products performing, then just keep on watching. Hello everyone and welcome back. So as you heard in the introduction, I am doing my makeup chosen by the people that follow me on Instagram. Luckily I didn't have any 50-50s, but there were some close calls. So let's just jump right into this makeup look. I did it in a little bit of a funny order on Instagram. I was just going through my makeup drawers, but I put a poll between the MAC strobe cream and a Primark strobe cream, and the MAC one won. So I'm just going to pop this on my face and buff it in to give my skin a little bit of a glow. So now that I'm looking all glowy, the next thing that you guys had the option of choosing between was for a primer. I gave you the option of the Benefit Professional and the Smashbox Photo Finish Primer, and Benefit had 47% but the Smashbox won with 53%. So I'm going to go ahead and apply that primer now. So now that I'm primed and glowy, I'm going to do my eyes first just so I don't get any fallout on the foundation. And I don't really know what eye look I'm going to do yet, so it's just safe to do the eyes first. So I will prime them, which I didn't put in the pot. I'm just going to use a concealer. But the two palettes that I gave you the choice of was the Modern Renaissance and the Violet Voss Holy Grail. This was a very close one because the Modern Renaissance won with 51%, which left the Holy Grail palette with 49%. So I am going to be using my Modern Renaissance palette. It looks like this. I don't really know what look I'm going to create yet. I might do like a halo eye with a bit of shimmer or something. I haven't used this palette in ages, so I'm kind of glad that it won because I tend to use my Holy Grail one quite a lot just because it's a bit bigger and I like the colours in it, although they are very similar. Also, while I just prime my eyes, I am going to do my eyebrows off camera. I didn't put a choice between these just because I only use one product. I don't really have anything else to try out, so I'm just going to use my Revolution Pro eyebrow pomade and I will be back to start the eyes. Okay, so I'm looking a little bit crazy now because I've done my brows, primed my eyes. I look like an egg. I've zoomed you in a little bit closer just so you can kind of see what's going on the eyes. As I said, I'm going to be using my Modern Renaissance palette, and yeah, I'm just going to get stuck in. So for transition colour, I am going to be using Burnt Orange with a fluffy brush just through the crease just to get some colour in there. And I think if I'm going to do a halo eye, I'm going to take it all the way from inner to outer and just build that colour up quite a lot. And I think I'm going to go with pink today. So I'm going to go between the two colours Love Letter and Venetian Red. They're like the pinkier colours in the palette. So I'm just going to slowly build that up on the inner and outer corner and then start blending that through the crease. So let's see how this goes. I'm going to go with Love Letter first. These are very pigmented. Kind of look like I've got a black eye now. But I'm just going to go in with concealer and cut the crease in the middle and create a halo eye. And then I'm going to take the shimmery pale pink shade Vermeer in the palette and pack that on top of this concealer. I'm then going to take the excess on the brush I was using for the pink and just slightly start to blend the colour back into the shimmer. Okay, that will do for now. Now I'm just going to put a little bit of mascara on and go in with the lashes that you guys chose, which won by quite a lot. It was between a pair from Belle Femme and these wispy fluffy ones from Dream Eyelashes, I think. I found them on Instagram and bought a multi-pack from them. And I've only used these once or twice so far, but I like them. So good choice, guys, good choice. Okay, lashes are on. Onto foundation. The foundation that won is the Estee Lauder Double Wear Foundation. I haven't used this in a while. I think it's going to be a bit too dark for me at the moment. But this one over the It Cosmetics CC Cream, I think, which I also don't really use. That's why I had the choice of them too. But I'm just going to pop a bit of this on the back of my hand, I guess. Oh, it's not too bad. I am quite tanned right now, but not that tanned. But I can make this work. Guys, let me know whether you actually like makeup videos, because it seems like my Primark hauls perform the best and I tend to reach more people because they're just really popular. But like, I can't always do a Primark haul. I can't always do hauls in general. Like, I love fashion and clothes, and obviously I love to shop, but like, I'm not made of money. I don't have shit tons to just like buy all the time. And I know I've said I'm gonna do like little challenge videos and obviously some more vlogs, but I do love makeup as well. I'm not an artist, so like, it's not as if I'm like really teaching you much, but I just like to share my opinion, or if I've got a like really good look that I want to film, obviously I enjoy it, but they just never seem to do as well. So let me know whether you actually want to see them. And thank you, by the way. I don't think I've actually filmed a video since, but I hit 1,000 subscribers, which is insane. I think I'm like on my way to 1,100 now, which is just mad. So thank you to everyone that is subscribed. It means the world to me, as I always say. But yeah, interact with me, comment on the video. Like, you know, if you're subscribed and you watch, like, don't be afraid to ask any questions or suggest a video idea, because I love talking to people and getting your opinion. I'm only a small YouTube channel, like 1,000 isn't much compared to everyone now, but it's a lot to me. And I really enjoy creating content, like not just to get subscribers, just because I enjoy it, and I know there are people out there that enjoy it too, and it's just always been like a hobby of mine, and I love to just film anyway. It's like my career, but you know what I mean. I'm just chatting shit now, I do apologise. This foundation doesn't look that bad. I always think it's like pinky, but it doesn't look that pink today. Whether it's because I'm like under my box light, or I don't know. Foundation done. I'm gonna go in with quite a light concealer now, but I like a bright under eye and I don't use too much of it anyway. Oh, I didn't even mention the concealer I'm using is the Revolution Conceal and Define in the colour C2. This one over my Tarte Shape Tape. I think it won by quite a bit, to be honest, but I'm glad. Okay, to set under my eyes and a little bit on the rest of my face, I'm going to use the RCMA No Colour Powder. This one over my Collection Pressed Powder, which I tend to use more often just because this gets everywhere, and I don't know, I don't really powder too much anymore, but I'm just going to use this under my eyes. . Now that my face is kind of like powdered, not really the rest of my face because the foundation is quite matte anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and do my bottom lash line. Just basically use a pinky colour and put bottom lash mascara on, and then I will be back to bronze up the face and finish the makeup. So my eyes are finished. I'm gonna move on to contour and bronzer now. So I gave you guys the choice between my Benefit Hoola bronzer and the Anastasia contour kit. Hoola won, and I'm gonna just take a kind of like smaller brush to just get into the hollow of my cheek before going in with the bronzer that won. And then after contour, I gave you guys the option between my MAC Medium Deep Mineralized Skin Finish and my Miss Lynn Barbados Babe bronzer, which not a lot of people know about. It is actually really, really good. But you all went for the MAC one, which is a slightly like orange terracotta colour. I'm just going to use it on a big fluffy brush just to bronze up my face a little bit more. So now my face is a little bit more warmer, more bronzed. I kind of look like the right colour, and my under eye does not look so scary anymore. I'm going to move on to highlighter. So the highlighter that you guys chose on Instagram was the Maybelline Master Chrome in Molten Gold. And I think the other one was a L'Oreal Crushed Foil highlighter, the Rose Quartz one, which is absolutely stunning. But I haven't used this one as much, so I'm glad you guys chose it. So let's give this a go. I'm going to use it on just a small kind of like fluffy brush and just go ham. Just get our brush in there and little circular motions to build up. Look at that. Now on to lips. I did not choose a lip liner just because I don't really have that many that I choose from. I'm just going to use a Kiko Smart Fusion lip pencil in 532 Matita Labra. Is that the colour? I have no idea. And I'm just going to quickly line my lips. That looks a little bit scary, kind of like a drag queen, but oh well. And for the lip colour, lipstick, I don't know. For the lips, I gave you the option between the Too Faced Melted lipstick and a MAC lipstick, which I think I was going to use Myth. This one is in the shade Sugar, the melted Too Faced one. Won only by a little bit, but I have not used this in a while, so thanks again. And that is the lip colour done, and I think all we have left to do is set the face. So I've only got 3 different setting sprays, but I gave you guys the choice between the Urban Decay All Nighter setting spray and MAC Fix Plus. The All Nighter won just by a little bit, so sorry to those who chose Fix Plus, but we all know they're both amazing anyway. So I'm just gonna spritz a bit of this. That was more than a bit. Oh, I feel a bit, I'm drowning. And this is the finished look. I'm actually really surprised that it turned out quite well. Like, I don't think there was anything that I used that I didn't really love. So thank you guys if you did join in on the Instagram polls and you chose what makeup I would use for today's video. I fell in love with a few products that I haven't used in a while, especially the Too Faced Melted Lipstick. The Modern Renaissance palette, I forgot how good that was. I've just got so many others that I use. The Maybelline highlighter I love, and the foundation, like, why have I not been using my double wear foundation? And it kind of matches me now, so maybe I'll be using it a little bit more. But yeah, I hope you guys really enjoyed, and thank you for joining in if you did. If you don't follow me on Instagram, What are you doing? My Instagram is always in the description and it's always at my end card anyway, along with my Twitter and my Snapchat. If you want to go and follow me or add me on there, feel free. I love interacting with you guys. Again, thank you for 1,000. Here's to the next 1,000. I'm so excited. And yeah, let me know what you want to see next. Give the video a thumbs up if you like this look, and if you enjoyed, don't forget to subscribe, turn the little notification bell on, because that helps me out a lot and keeps you guys updated when I do upload. And yeah, thank you for watching, guys, and I will see you next week. Is my chicken cooked yet? I think I burnt my chicken.